But this Yaki wig though,
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
you guys already know I love me some synthetic units, but today I have on a human hair wig. It means so much life. And of course it's Yaki, because if you guys have been watching my channel, all the wigs that I typically have is Yaki because I think it looks the most natural. So this wig is from Ywigs, and I'm going to show you the baggie that it came in. I'm also going to attach some clips on how the unboxing of the unit, how I tweezed it, and how I bleached the knots. This unit is from Ywigs, and it comes in like this little baggie, and the inside of it had like a box, but I set the box away. But this bag is cool. I guess you could keep it for like whatever tools you have or whatever, I don't know. So let me give you all the details of this unit, and I had to write it down because I didn't want to forget nothing. This unit is a Kinky straight, and it's a 360 lace, which means that it's a lace all around the perimeter of the unit, and the middle is sewed tracks. So it's a frontal Brazilian virgin wig, and the length is 20 inches and is 180 density. So this wig is definitely extremely full, which I love, but this unit is going to be very, very hot in the summertime. But needless to say, this wig is extremely full, and the color is a natural color. The cap size is average, and the lace color is a light brown, and it's a closure base free part, which means that you can part in the middle, the side, and all that good stuff. So the hairline on this unit was so natural, but I did go in and tweeze some. I didn't have to do that much tweezing. I did just tweeze just a little bit, and I didn't do too much baby hair because I'm not a big baby hair person, and I do not have any hair out, which I feel like the hairline looks super natural. Okay guys, so I just want to start by saying that this company ships their units like super fast. I think I ordered the wig on Sunday and got it by like Thursday, which was like amazing. So the hair comes in this black baggie, and inside the bag has a white box that has the unit and supplies. Now it comes with a weaving cap and an adjustable strap, along with a wig comb if you decide to sew that in your unit. And you guys, this hair is like really soft. Like I was able to run that small comb in the unit with no problem, and as you guys can see, the hairline looks pretty natural. It already comes pre-plucked, but I'm still going to pluck it a bit just to my liking, but I honestly don't have to do that much, and if you decide not to pluck it, that's fine. Now before I begin to tweeze my unit, I'm going to secure the wig down with 3 wig pins, and I'm going to part behind the hairline and begin to tweeze. And you don't have to do it in a perfect motion, you're just gonna do it to where it looks natural, if that makes sense. But you're going to continue to tweeze until you're honestly satisfied with how it looks like. Okay, so in order to bleach the knots, you're going to use a dyeing brush and bowl. And you're going to have your bleach powder and developer. I have mine in a number 40. And of course your gloves. Now I did lose the footage of me actually bleaching the knots, but I did have the bleach consistency almost like a cottage cheese like, and I did leave the bleach on for 15 minutes. Now it's always important to check periodically your frontal just to ensure that the bleach is not coloring the front of your hairline. I did mention that you should check on the lace when it's bleached because you don't want it to turn. It did turn blonde. You probably don't see it some because of the light. What I do, instead of having to re-dye it or put any additional chemicals, I just take some black eyeshadow from my Lorac palette and whatever brush you want to use. I have some fluffy brush, and I just dip it in the black one, and I just add it like this. And this does work. Now, it is a little annoying that every time you wear this unit, you may have to redo it, especially if it's rubbing up against something and the eyeshadow comes off. But if you are running out of time and you don't have time to re-dye it, or you just don't want to put any more chemicals in it, just add some of this eyeshadow. The Got To Be glue to gel this down, and I did tie a headscarf on before I did my makeup. Now it's really important to gel your wig down before you do your makeup, because otherwise you will have foundation and everything else just not cute. So just tie your unit down after you put this on, then do your makeup. It makes your life a lot easier, trust me. Before you put the wig on, I do add some powder on the lace part so that way it could blend in with my skin. I got this from my local beauty supply store. It was really, I don't know how much it cost, but it clearly wasn't expensive because I would have got it. On a brush and just added the powder along the hairline of the unit, and I also did put some on the stocking cap that I do have because it's a nude cap, which nude is not nude for us brown girls, so you're gonna have to add some powder so it can really blend in with your skin. And then after I gelled it down and took the scarf off, I did go in and add some along the hairline, so just to conceal the lining. I really do like this unit. It is so I'm definitely excited to wear this unit and do different hairstyles with it because I feel like it's going to take curls so nice. And I'm actually thinking about doing a perm rod set. Like, those curls about to be popping. So if you guys like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.